Are you tired of fad diets that don't deliver? Do you feel like you've tried everything but nothing seems to work? There's a reason the ketogenic diet is gaining popularity. It's not just a trend, it's a scientifically backed approach to nutrition. It's not just another fad, it's a lifestyle change, and it works. People all over the world are seeing real results. The keto diet is all about changing how your body uses energy. By shifting your metabolism, you can achieve lasting results. The keto diet is about low carbs and high fats. This unique combination is key to its effectiveness. This combination helps your body enter a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. In ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. You'll notice a significant difference in how you feel and look. Instead of relying on carbohydrates for fuel, it switches to burning fat for energy. This is a more efficient way to lose weight. This is why keto is so effective for weight loss. It targets fat directly, helping you shed pounds more effectively. It helps you burn fat more efficiently. You'll find that your workouts become more productive and your energy levels soar. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar levels. This can prevent the energy crashes that come with high-carb diets. This can lead to reduced cravings and more sustained energy throughout the day. You'll feel more in control of your eating habits. The keto diet isn't just about weight loss. It's about overall well-being and a healthier lifestyle. Many people report improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and increased energy levels on keto. These benefits can transform your daily life. Are you ready to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you? The keto diet could be the key to achieving your health goals. Let's explore how the keto diet can help you achieve your goals. Start your journey to a better you today. You might think of the keto diet as being all about meat and cheese, but you can totally do keto as a vegetarian. In fact, combining vegetarianism with keto can be a powerful way to lose weight and improve your health. Vegetarian keto is all about choosing plant-based foods that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. This means loading up on delicious and nutritious foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, tofu, tempeh, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy oils. By choosing vegetarian keto, you're not only embracing a weight loss powerhouse, but also adopting a sustainable lifestyle that benefits both your body and the planet. Let's dive into the unique advantages of this winning combination. Why choose vegetarian keto? Let's explore the reasons. It offers unique advantages compared to a standard keto diet, making it a compelling choice for many. Vegetarian keto focuses on whole, unprocessed foods, which are naturally more nutritious. You'll naturally consume less processed meat, a common feature of many standard keto diets leading to a cleaner diet. Vegetarian keto is naturally higher in fiber, which is often lacking in other keto diets. Fiber is essential for digestive health, blood sugar control, and feeling full and satisfied after meals, helping you avoid overeating. Fiber is your friend, especially on a weight loss journey, as it helps you stay on track. Vegetarian keto is packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. Plant-based foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being, boosting your immune system. These nutrients help your body thrive while you lose weight, giving you energy and vitality. Vegetarian keto is a sustainable choice, promoting a greener lifestyle. By reducing your reliance on animal products, you're making a positive impact on the environment, contributing to a healthier planet. It's a win-win for your health and the planet, ensuring a better future for all. Ready to start your vegetarian keto journey? The key is to understand the right balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Your primary fuel source will be healthy fats. Incorporate these healthy fat sources into your diet: avocados, nuts, almonds, walnuts, macadamias, seeds, chia, flax, pumpkin, olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil. Don't be afraid of fat, it's your ally on keto. Next up, protein. You'll be getting protein from plant-based sources like tofu, tempeh, edamame, spinach, and Greek yogurt, full fat, unsweetened. Protein helps you stay full, preserves muscle mass, and supports overall health. Finally, carbohydrates. Keep your carb intake low. This means choosing primarily non-starchy vegetables like spinach, kale, lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. These veggies are low in carbs but high in fiber and nutrients. Your Vegetarian Keto Kickstart a Sample Meal Plan. Starting a new way of eating can feel overwhelming, so here's a simple 3-day vegetarian keto meal plan to kickstart your journey. This plan is designed to make your transition smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into day 1. Breakfast scrambled tofu with spinach and avocado. This protein-packed breakfast will keep you full and energized throughout the morning. Lunch, large mixed green salad with grilled tofu, avocado, and olive oil dressing. A refreshing and nutritious meal to keep you going through the day. Dinner, cauliflower rice stir-fry with tofu, broccoli, and peanut sauce. This flavorful dish is both satisfying and low in carbs. Snack, handful of almonds, a perfect snack to curb your hunger between meals. Day 2, breakfast, keto smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, spinach, chia seeds, and protein powder. This smoothie is a great way to start your day with a nutrient boost. Lunch, zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled tofu, a light yet filling meal that's perfect for lunch. Dinner, portobello mushroom steaks with roasted asparagus, a hearty and delicious dinner option. Snack, small portion of full-fat Greek yogurt with berries, a creamy and sweet treat to end your day. Day 3, breakfast, chia seed pudding with coconut milk and berries. This pudding is rich in fiber and will keep you satisfied until lunch. Lunch, salad with mixed greens, avocado, walnuts, and feta cheese. A crunchy and flavorful salad that's packed with healthy fats. Dinner, vegetarian chili with cauliflower rice. A warm and comforting meal to end your day. Snack, sliced cucumber with guacamole. A refreshing and healthy snack option. This is just a sample plan to get you started. Feel free to adjust it based on your preferences and dietary needs. Remember, the key to success is finding what works best for you and sticking with it. Vegetarian Keto Grocery List, stocking up for success. A well-stocked kitchen is key to success on vegetarian keto. Here's a grocery list to get you started. Produce, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce, avocado, broccoli, zucchini, bell peppers, mushrooms refrigerated, tofu, tempeh, edamame, full-fat Greek yogurt, unsweetened, eggs pantry, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and macadamias, seeds like chia, flax, and pumpkin, unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, vegetarian protein powder, spices. Remember, fresh whole foods are your best friends on vegetarian keto. Overcoming obstacles, solutions to common challenges. You might face some challenges on your vegetarian keto journey. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. Challenge 1: carb cravings. Solution: increase your intake of healthy fats which help you feel full and satisfied. Drink plenty of water and herbal tea to stay hydrated. Challenge 2: eating out. Solution: most restaurants offer vegetarian options. Ask for dishes without grains or starchy vegetables. Substitute steamed vegetables or a salad for sides. Challenge 3: social situations. Solution: plan ahead and bring your own keto-friendly snacks or dishes to share. Don't be afraid to politely decline food that doesn't fit your dietary needs. Remember, you're in control of your choices. With a little planning and determination, you can overcome these challenges. Thriving on vegetarian keto tips for long-term success. Here are some tips to help you thrive on vegetarian keto. First, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Second, track your carbs. Use a food tracking app to monitor your carbohydrate intake. Third, don't be afraid of fat. Healthy fats are your primary fuel source on keto. Fourth, listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Fifth, be patient and consistent. Results take time, so stay consistent with your efforts. And finally, find support. Join a community or connect with others who are following a vegetarian keto lifestyle. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Embrace the process and celebrate your progress. Dispelling the myths, vegetarian keto FAQs answered. Let's address some common misconceptions about vegetarian keto. Fact 1: will I get enough protein on a vegetarian keto diet? Absolutely. Plant-based protein sources like tofu, tempeh, edamame, and Greek yogurt can provide adequate protein. FAQ 2: is vegetarian keto expensive? Not necessarily. Focus on affordable staples like beans, lentils, tofu, and seasonal vegetables. FAQ 3: can I follow a vegetarian keto diet if I have diabetes? It's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any dietary changes, especially if you have a medical condition. Inspiration to action, real people, real results. Countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations on a vegetarian keto diet. Here are some inspiring success stories. Sarah, a 35-year-old teacher, lost 25 pounds and reversed her prediabetes after switching to a vegetarian keto lifestyle. Mark, a 42-year-old accountant, reduced his cholesterol levels and improved his sleep quality on a vegetarian keto diet. These stories demonstrate that with dedication and the right approach, you can achieve your health and weight loss goals on a vegetarian keto diet. Your vegetarian keto journey starts now. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, happier you. The vegetarian keto diet can be a powerful tool for weight loss, improved health, and increased well-being. Remember, this is about making sustainable lifestyle changes that nourish your body and support your goals. Start by incorporating the principles and tips outlined in this essay. Don't be afraid to experiment with different recipes, find what works best for you, and enjoy the journey. Share your progress and inspire others to embrace the transformative power of a vegetarian keto lifestyle.